tendons or knee twisting or even the muscle strain as well. Clear? So this is the first one. Both the sides you will be doing it.
So one more time, I didn't record. One more time.
Yeah, more than 1 minute. Okay, that's the criteria. More than 60 seconds.
Injured person, injured people, I will never let you guys go until unless you hit these criteria. I'm making it very clear. Because I don't want any injuries to come in and then I have to see for that. Here, this is the single leg wall sit. Single leg glute bridge. So, don't expect that this will be everywhere or anything like that. If you are here, you can do it. Otherwise, at home, you can do it on the bed also, couch. So, ideally, the height has to be a bit more, but this is still little less. What you are still supposed to do is hip knee 90 degree, hip 90 degree, and hip has to be straight. And lift this leg up and maintain it. Make sure only your upper back, little bit up, very mild portion of the upper back is being rested. His neck has to be up. If your neck is being strained, then you can in between you can leave it and then get it up, get up.
We
Again,
are doing this on Tuesdays.
this
Yes or no?
this is 1.5 minutes. Not 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. Holding needs to be done 1.5 minutes, and make sure your hip is stable. You're not dropping it. Clear?
Two main things. No hip dropping, no neck suspension behind unless you're feeling some pain. You can rest for some time but come back again.
Squeeze your glutes so well that if you're not squeezing it well, then that means that you're straining your back. You will end up in back pain. There only. You will strain and you will tell me that I have back pain. Back pain is coming up. That means you're not squeezing your glutes well. Here, next hamstring. Again, hands crossed, 90 degree, come back. 90 degree, hands crossed, lift your hip up, lift your one leg up. Yeah. This 90 degree, maintain it, hip up and hold it. Again, this also, the chances of dropping the hip is higher, so maintain the hip up. Again, this is 1.5 minutes. Next is you coming and doing it. You. He's yawning.
Yon Gaurav.
Next is Copenhagen.
No, no, no.
Most of you guys have done mostly Copenhagen. So come to your side plank.
Now these guys are pro at
Side बोला.
कोपेनहेगन नहीं पता मारूं क्या मैं देखो कौन सा वाला ट्यूसडे को क्या करता है तू कोपेनहेगन
Last में क्या करता है?
क्या पकड़ता है तू भूल गया
Last वाला. हाँ.
Yeah, guys, what do I always tell you before you come up into your
Shoulder, hip and
everything? Is he in one line? No, go down. Guys, any exercise before you start, if your setting is not right and if you're doing shit, there's no point of doing it.
Neck.
Elbows should be below your shoulder level.
Putha, hip putha.
Elbows should be below your shoulder level.
Hip putha.
And if this is painful, if it is painful for you guys, then you can reduce the weight as well. So if it is painful, come down. Keep your knees
Bend.
bent.
Gio, now you can do with knees straight. Gio.
Same thing with knees bent. But knees bent also, you lift the hip up.
Who else was feeling some pain when we were doing Copenhagen? Aaron?
Clear.
Something. Rehan, where's Rehan?
Is sick.
Yeah? Understood? With knees bent.
Hip ऊपर कर. पूरा टर्न किया बॉडी.
it's not well.
Rehan is not. Rehan is not.
Okay.
So one person can do lunge hold, the other person can keep this thing and do Copenhagen.
Nothing.
Hold also you can do dynamic.
This is an isometric.
Right now we are covering isometric. Isometrics are all holding.
One more thing I'm making it clear. These exercises I don't want you to do before the mat or anything. This is only the gym at home or wherever. Activations are the ones which I talk to. This is only just for you to get better. Strength getting better basically. That's why I'm telling you the hitting the criteria. This one, ideally with the knees straight, ideally I need 45 seconds. Okay, 45 seconds is the criteria. So I don't want you to go, there should not be any confusion now. This is only in the gym or home. But try to hit this criteria. I'm telling also, it's not only for the injured people, for others as well. If you're not hitting this, you will end up in an injury and then you'll come to the injured group itself.
No, I was telling that this same, if you want to do before match, you can come into a side plank and do up and down. Yeah, that can be done, but no holding for any exercise. Holding before a match, before a training, before gym, not required. No holding exercises.
Why?
Okay.
It's just that already you're holding it and the muscle will go for fatigue, and then you're going and playing. Then the chances of you getting injured is even higher. So we don't want fatigue is to set in and then going and playing and coming back with injury. That's why activations are just to activate those muscles and then you go ahead and play.
Half hold with knee bend and knee straight.
Yeah. As she told last before that, one side, hold it there and maintain it,
With your straight leg,
and then with knees bent and holding it and maintaining it.
bent leg. Yes, boys, any doubts in this? No, right? Next one we have iso push-up hold.
So for this, in our testing, we won't be holding it. We don't want you to hold it. Basically, I'll be checking on the repetition. Ideally, for 30 to 35 repetitions, you need to hit the criteria. So single leg wall sit is 1 minute. Single leg glute bridge, hamstring bridge,
No, Copenhagen is fine.
1.5 minutes. Copenhagen is 45 seconds. Calf raise is 45 seconds.
Next one, iso push-up hold. Guys, high plank position you will be coming into. In high plank position, what is essential? Your wrist and shoulder being in one line, hip. Now brace your core completely and bend from here. Bend from here.
Isometric push-up pull.
Yeah, and hold. The lowest point you can go to without touching your chest, chin, hip, anything down.
Should be in one line.
Okay? No hip raised, no chest down and hip completely up.
Drop it.
Thanks. Okay,
How long, ma'am?
1 minute.
45 seconds to 1 minute.
Side plank, everyone knows. Full show.
Sam.
Sam is done showing.
Sam, no?
Who didn't come? Sesha, come.
Sesha.
Side plank is easy. Come. Come on. Any side, whatever side you want to do. First set up properly. Look straight, squeeze your bum and lift up. Okay? This is your side plank. Everyone, Copenhagen, if you can do, this is very easy for you. The variations, exercise-wise variations, you can lift your hand up, go all the way, thread the needle. Okay? So these are side plank reaches that you can do. For activation, pre-match, you have this on your hip. Put this hand on your hip. Okay, lift your leg up and down. Okay, up and down you can have. If you have a band, you can wear it. Up and down. Okay, Sesha, thank you.
In activations are no, you can do it.
Yeah.
Side plank holding, yes, that can be done in these exercises.
Yes.
Isometrics work, you understood, no?